I don't know about you, but I love upcycling. So I got this shirt and leggings from a thrift store for €3 and made this dress out of it. In the end, I will show you some more pictures, of course, but now let's get started. The first thing to do is to fold the leggings in half, so the seams around the crotch are all together. This is the part where we want our new neckline. I cut the neckline by eyeballing. If you want to try this DIY, make sure to cut just a little piece and then try if it fits around your head. It's a very common mistake to cut the neckline too big. To make the skirt-like part from the t-shirt, I folded it in half and cut away the neckline and sleeves following an A-line shape. Then I stitched together the sides with my serger, and you can also use a sewing machine if you don't have one. Now we can already put both pieces together. To do that in an even way, you can mark the skirt with 2 pins in the middle by putting the seams together. And then you do the same with the leggings, or better said, new top. Here you mark the sides, so we also have 4 equal parts. The top is right side facing you and the skirt is inside out. Like this, you put together the 4 pinned markings. Front part on front part, back on back, sides on sides. I stitched the pieces together with a straight stitch while pulling the fabric a bit so it stays stretchable. You could also use a serger or a zigzag stitch. The dress is almost ready to wear. Let's put some bias tape around the neckline to give it a good finish. Did you see my video with 7 DIY ideas for bias tape already? You should check it out. And that's it. Here you can see the dress. I think it turned out as a modern little black dress and it's actually very comfortable. I have to say there is a lot of fabric underneath the arms. I don't know if this is an interesting detail or does it destroy the look of the dress. Let me know what you think in the comments. As always, I'm super curious about how you like the idea and outcome. I have a lot more things to upcycle, so if you like these videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye!